This is my Arduino project with a joystick, X, Y, Z, push button to select. There's 3 menu options here, 1, 2, 3 indicated by the decimal. First one is time set, second is alarm set, so this is set to 6:15 a.m. Last one's snooze duration. It's 9:47 p.m. indicated by the little dot there. The green LED is the alarm being set to on. So if I change the alarm to 9:48, let's see what happens. Should go off. 9:48. What the hell? Oh, you gotta set it to 9 p.m. And there it goes. A single tap will snooze, and the colon is blinking, which indicates the alarm is active. You can hold for 1 second to turn the alarm off for the day. A little closer here we have the Arduino Beetle on the left, a piezo buzzer here in the middle, and a DS1307 real-time clock module. This LED backpack is from Adafruit. This joystick is from Spark Fun. Oop. Come on, focus. There you go. Check GitHub for my open sourced project.